Hey guys, Adrian Morrison here, and in this video I want to teach you a little bit about the two main ad styles that Facebook has to offer. So first they have link ads, so write that down, link ads, L-I-N-K, ads. And secondly they have photo post ads, which are very popular. So these are the two main types of ads. I want to explain to you the differences between the two, then I want to show you exactly what they look like. Alright, so first thing is we're going to go over link ads. When you're using a link ad in Facebook, which is the most common type of ad, your dimensions of your ad, of your photo in the ad, have to be 1200 by 628. That's the recommended dimensions by Facebook. You get 90 characters max for your text, and you get 25 characters max for your headline, so they limit how much you can say. And you get 200 characters in the link description. All right. Also, your image cannot include more than 20% text, which is standard on Facebook on any ad. And it works well for mobile, desktop, and right column ads. Okay, let's talk about some pros and cons of this. So one great pro about link ads specifically, and one of the main reasons that I use them, is they'll let you add what's called a call to action button right on your ad. The one I use usually says shop now. So really cool that you can add a Facebook button that says shop now on your ad. I'll show you a picture of that in a second. The next thing is when somebody clicks on your ad, when you're using a link ad, they go straight to the link that you're advertising. That's why they're called link ads. So when somebody clicks your ad, or they click the shop now button, or whatever it may be, they instantly leave Facebook and they go to the t-shirt that you're marketing. This is going to get you a lot of clicks directly to your website. And if you are building a custom audience, it'll help you build a very large custom audience, because everybody that interacts with your ad and clicks on it is going straight to the website. Okay, so you're going to get a lot of traffic to your website using this particular type of ad. One con is you get a limited amount of ad text. So, you might want a longer headline, or you might want to put more stuff in your text, but you get cut off, and that kind of stinks sometimes, because you'll have something really clever that you want to say, but it won't fit. So that is a con about link ads. And the next thing is link ads make you use a smaller image than their competitor, or brother or sister as I call them, which are photo ads. So in the other type of ad, you can use a bigger photo, which commands more attention. So I like to always try to use as large of an image as I can, because you know this just like I do. When you're scrolling through Facebook, you're not really reading what people are saying. You stop when you see an interesting image in your news feed. So images command people's attention. Now let's get out of my little PowerPoint and let's look at what an actual link ad looks like. So I'm in Facebook ads right now. You see here they recommend a image size of 1200 by 628. It works on desktop newsfeed. Here's a preview over here. And it works on mobile ads. And it also works with right column ads. I got to put a description in for that to show up though, so you'll see in a second. Alright, so here's an ad that has no description yet. So we got to go through Facebook's basic steps, and we got 25 characters for our headline, so make this count. So whatever you put in your headline, make it count, because that's what's going to come up in bold right here in your ad. Okay, so you really want to make that count. And your text is kind of like where your status update would be. You might say, hey, this shirt is really cool. Click to buy it now. And you'll see that the description comes up above the image. So you got limited text there, 90 characters. Another thing is you can use these call to action buttons. So here's what it looks like without a button at all. And this is standard. So it looks nice, right? But I like to use the shop now button. The reason being this is really going to let people on Facebook know that they can buy something by clicking this ad. When people click it, they know good and well that they're going to shop, which means they have intent to spend money. They have intent to sign up. And that's what I really like about this button here, is it lets people know, click here so you can buy the item. It's going to get more clicks than a photo post will in most cases. And it's going to help you build up a huge custom audience if you're using Facebook's custom audiences, which basically builds you your own list of everybody that's clicked on your ad. And then down here we can add a description. So usually down here I let people know that we have more colors and more styles available. Because let's say that you're marketing more than just a t-shirt. People can buy a hoodie or a women's style shirt, or they can get a coffee mug or whatever it is. I let them know down here in the description. They give you 200 characters down here at the bottom. I wish they let you put it at the top, but they force you to put it at the bottom, which stinks because not that many people really read that advanced description. So what it looks like if you're doing it with a mobile ad, let it reload the preview. So you can see that it cuts off a lot of your description right here on mobile ads, but a nice big shop now button, and you've got your status update up here, your like, comment, and share button so people can still socially engage with these ads. And then these are going to work well with right column ads because that's just the way that the images are shaped. So photo ads don't do very well with right column ads. All right, so that's pretty much it. So from here, if you want to test this, you'd want to select your targeting, add your pixel to the ad if you're using a pixel, and test these bad boys out. My recommendation on these is use these if you want a lot of clicks to your website, more than social engagement. If you want clicks to go from Facebook to the item that you're selling, link ads get you more traffic. Okay, so just to go back to our little PowerPoint here, remember the dimensions are 1200 by 628. You've got 90 characters and 25 headline characters, 200 characters that are going to be likely hidden in the description. No more than 20% text in your ad. That's a rule by Facebook. The great thing about these is the call to action button and traffic goes directly to your website. The bad things, the cons, limited ad text because they cut you off at a certain point, and smaller images in your photo compared to the other type of ad that you can create. All right, guys, so that does it for this video. Go to the next video and we'll discuss photo ads, and I'll show you their dimensions and the pros and the cons on those, and then we'll look at one.